remember to stay hydrated, and we just broke 500,000 subscribers. I think it's about time to give back to you guys, so stay tuned. For now, sit back, relax, and let's get it. So I started making content here on YouTube about 3 years ago, not expecting much. My ultimate goal was to pretty much just make better content in terms of knives and EDC gear within the niche. There's a ton of other content creators out there, but what sets me apart, I believe, is just the quality that I provide for you viewers. Fast forward to 2023, and we have just shattered 500,000 or 500,000 subscribers, which is an astronomical number. I want to thank every single one of you guys, yes, you behind the screen, for helping me achieve this goal and bringing this channel to the next level. And the only way to show you guys my appreciation is to host the biggest giveaway this channel has ever seen. In front of me is thousands of dollars worth of gear in collaboration with a bunch of different companies. We're gonna have a total of 3 winners for this giveaway, a third, second, and first prize. And I'm gonna run this giveaway for about a week and a half. I'll be announcing the winners live on stream on April 13th around 6 to 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Make sure to set that date on your calendar as well as have your notification bells on so that way you know when I do go live to announce all 3 winners. So we have about 30 different items that will be in this giveaway, about 10 items per winner. I want to give a huge shout out to all of these companies in front of you that have hooked up our channel with this giveaway. I couldn't have done this without them, and they have been huge supporters of Everyday Minimalist and our community. Because there's so many items in this giveaway, I'm just going to overlay some B-roll and list off what you're getting in each individual place value. Starting with the third place items, let's bring in Data Crew and show you what they have provided. They actually sent out 3 identical loadouts, so each one of the winners will win this essential Data Crew package. The first item is going to be this extremely rare orange What a Slider EDC pouch organizer. This pouch is actually one of the hardest pouches to get your hands on, and I just love that they sent 3 of them. After that, this will also come with a small fry in camo. Now, the small fry is going to be a more compact EDC pouch / wallet replacement, and if you want to see the full review that I just made on this thing, go check it out on my channel. What are EDC pouches without customization? So they did send out a ton of different Ranger eyes, so that way the winners can customize their pouches. They sent along a few other goodies like a slap sticker with the Reaper, as well as a keychain and a pin. So again, guys, every single winner will receive one of these packages. Moving on to knives, for the third place winner, we've got 4 from Real Steel. So we've got the Marlin, the G-Slip Compact, the Alienic Utility, the Bushcraft Zenith, and these are just really cool knives. Next to that, we have something from Big Idea Design, and this is going to be the Bit Bar 2. Now, the Bit Bar 2 is going to be made of titanium, and the sole purpose of this thing is to basically store your bits. If you need a flathead, Phillips head, Torx bit, everything comes all in one with this thing. You've got a leather slip along with a bit extender, so this thing can be used in multiple different ways. After that, we've got something from Concept Knives, and this is going to be the Corvid XL, just an absolutely huge Coke tool designed knife. Really badass if you want to baton meat or something while you're camping. And then finally, we've got something from Kaiser, and this is going to be their Towser K, but this isn't your normal Towser K. This one has a blue fat carbon LMAX blade steel, and this one so happens to be numbered at number 200. This is a really dope knife, and I'm super happy that Kaiser could support us with this thing. Now, moving over to the second place winner package, we do still have a bunch of stuff from Data Crew, so all the same stuff as before in the third place winner will also go to the second place winner, like I mentioned before. But in this case, we have 5 different Real Steel knives. Let me just read these off real quick for you. You'll be getting the G5 Metamorph, the Forager, the G-Frame TC09, the G-Frame Black and Gold, as well as the Receptor. We just had to kind of amp it up a little bit for the second place winner, so there's already 5 knives on the table. And next up to that, we have another item from Big Idea Design. This is going to be the TI EDS 2, or the Titanium Everyday Screwdriver 2. This is a really unique everyday screwdriver that is collapsible with bit storage, and I just really like mine. So it's really cool that Big Idea Design hooked us up with the blackout version. After that is another Towser K with the blue fat carbon scales LMAX steel, and this one just has a black blade. This one is number 164. Again, just a really badass knife. Last but not least, for the second place winner is going to be something from Urban EDC Supply, one of my most favorite knives of all time, and that is going to be the JG10 F5.5. This is a Voxnez design. It's got an M390 blacked out blade along with blackout hardware. It's a liner lock, and again with these JG10 scales. This is a stunner of a knife, and that second place winner is going to really like their loadout. Now for the grand prize. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this one, and personally, if I were to win all this stuff, I would probably just ship myself, if I'm being real with you. First off, the Data Crew pack, this is all gonna come with it. Same exact items aside from the small fry, which is gonna be a blackout canvas version. After that are gonna be 3 premium real steel knives. So we've got the S5 Metamorph. This is the compact titanium, so it has premium materials, number 117. We've also got the G-Slip with ebony wood, which just looks amazing. And then the Arbiter Premium. So this thing has M390 blade steel. It's a fixed blade micarta. This one so happens to be number 157. And we've got something from Big Idea Design. This is going to be their titanium field watch, which is solar powered, so you can actually just charge this thing with the sun. It's going to come with a really nice box along with a green strap. I do also have the leather strap that will come with it, so you guys can swap that out however you would like. This watch alone goes for about $400, just an insanely nice timepiece. Now we're getting to the good stuff, the 3 top knives in this entire giveaway. First off, coming from Kaiser again, and this is going to be their Feist XL. This thing is dressed up with purple fat carbon fiber as the scales, as well as a 20 CV blade. It's got a really nice deep carry pocket clip, and this thing just feels amazing. Just check out how minimalistic it is. Feist XL is just a really cool minimalistic knife. Whoever gets this, please treat it well. After that, we've got a knife from Concept Knives, and this is the Shikari. Now the Shikari is a very nice premium knife that has a titanium frame / bolster lock. It's got carbon fiber scales, a 20 CV blade that's absolutely massive, and a really nice titanium milled pocket clip. If you're into big knives that are super guillotine-y, this is a pretty cool one. And finally, we have the most expensive item on the table. This is coming from Brian Winters at Winterblade Co. Of course, it's the Factor. If you've been following my content for a second now, then you've probably seen some sneak peeks of this knife, but I'm pretty positive this is a one-of-one Winterblade Co. Factor. This thing comes presented in a really nice hard case, along with some extras like the certificate of authenticity, as well as additional pivot hardware. Now, what makes this Factor super special is going to be its overall configuration. This thing comes with a Magna Cut blade, which is just insane because those are already rare on its own. But on top of that, it has a Moku Tai pocket clip along with a purple G10 push bar, as well as a pivot. This thing is absolutely immaculate, and whoever wins it, just please love it. I absolutely love the Factor. It took Knife of the Year for 2022. This one just so happens to be the most bougie one that I've ever experienced. So whoever happens to win this grand prize, I hope you're not a beginner, because if you are, this is going to completely ruin it for you. You're getting a ton of different knives, and you're getting the most expensive knife that we've ever given away here on Everyday Minimalist. So there are all the giveaway items. How do you enter in this giveaway? I'm going to keep this as simple as possible. All you're going to need to do is make sure that you're subscribed, like this video, and then throw a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what got you into EDC in the first place. On top of that, let me know what you like most about my channel and what draws you in. I'll run this giveaway up until April 13th on that live stream, so make sure that you guys are there. I'll say it one last time, thank you so much for your support. We would not be here without you behind the screen. Best of luck to every single one of you guys. Thank you so much to all of the sponsors for this giveaway, and I guess we'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace out.